The example to design a synchronous sequential circuit using JK flip-flop from the given state table. The table is there. Present state AB, input X, next state AB. The table is given here 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Input is 1. Then the next state is 1 1. From this table, you have to design the synchronous sequential circuit. So now you have to draw the excitation table from the given state table by using the excitation table of JK flip-flop. So A, B, X, present state A, B, right? Same here. Okay. Now add in this JA, KA, JB, K. Clear? So now draw. Suppose 0 0. The next state is 1 and 1 1. 0, the next state, and next state is 1. See the excitation table of JK. What will be answer? What will be answer? 1 and 0 and 1. 1. 1 and don't care. 1 and don't care. Next 0, 1 again 1. Don't care. Next 0 to 0. 0. Don't care. Then 0 to 0. 0. Don't care. Again 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Don't care. 0. 1 to 1. 1 to 0. Don't care. 1 to 1. Don't care. 1 to 0. Don't care. This increase comes. Now fill the entry of JB and KB. So 0 to 0. 0. Don't care. Again 0 to 1. 1. Don't care. Then 1 to 1. Don't care. 0. 1 to 0. Don't care. 1. And 0 to 0. 0 and don't care. See here 0 to 1. 1 don't care. 1 to 1. Don't care. 0. 1 to 1. Don't care. So now this is your excitation table. Excitation table of the given exercise. Next step, to find the equation of JK, K, JB, KB using KMI. So for JK, now here there are 3 variables. One for the present state AB and X as the. So you can take AB one side and X another side. AB one side, X other side. So 0 1, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So 1 1, 1. Okay. So prove the value, complete the entry. This is JA. So you have to see here 0 0 X 0 take 1 0 0 here. Okay. Next 0 0 1 1. Then don't care 1 0 0 1 0 0 is a dot here. Again see here 1 0 1 1 0 1 is a dot here. Again see here 1 1 0 dot here and 1 1 1 is a dot. So these two dot here and these two is a group of 4. So JK is equal to from this AB B dash and nothing x will be changed. Yes, value of x is going to change, so it will be x. So you got the value of j is equal to b. Similarly, find the value for KA. For KA, AB one side and x another side. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. So complete the entry here. At 0 0 this is x dot here. Again at 0 0 1 dot here. Again at 0 1 0 dot here. 0 1 0 dot here. 3 3 and 4 2 3 0 1 1 0 1 1 dot here. Then come to 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 and next is 1 1 1. So a group of these rows. So from this group KA is equal to x. Now clear? Find out the next one, JB. JB for JB, AB one side, next side x. So this is your K map 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So see at 0 0 0 0. See here. This is 1. So 0 0 1. 0 0 1 is 1. Next here 0 1 0 0 1 0 is a dot here. Then next is 0 1 1 0 1 1 dot here. Then come to 1 0 1 1 0 1 dot here. No 1 1 0 1 क्या है 1 1 0 1 0 1 ये 1. Then next 1 1 0 1 1 0 dot here. Then 1 1 1. Again this is a group. So again KB is equal to x. Next find the value of KB. So AB x 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now complete the entry here. 0 0 dot here. 0 0 1 dot here. 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 dot here. 1 0 1 1 0 1 dot here. Okay. Now clear? So how many group? Only one group of 1 dot here. 1 1. So KB is equal to from here A and from there X. A dash X. Now you got the equation for J, K, JB and next step and the final step, draw the circle. So draw the diagram here. So there are two flip-flop A and B, and one input that is X. So draw here. Suppose this is your flip-flop A. This is A. Input will be JA, KA, plus A dash. Next flip-flop that is B. So JB, KB, B dash, sorry, B and B dash, clockwise, and for synchronous, you connect these to CP means clockwise. Now J is B dash. J is B dash. Simply connect here JB down. B dash. So B dash. Okay. So that will be connected on the next. KA. What is the value of KA? X. And you can put here X. So it's X. X. Next JB. What is the value of JB? JB is X. JB is also X. So this is your JB, and KB is A dash X. A dash X. A dash. So this is your A dash, and take the X from here, and that will be the AND gate. Use AND gate. Okay. So this is the complete solution of for the exam. Okay.